front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, hit the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines, add the bottom right one, click on Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Yes, and tap on Set Wallpaper right away, or click on this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those options after hitting I accept, like input or even colors. If you don't want to do that, you can even select presets and select one of those already adjusted styles. Just click on the best one and hit yes. Wherever you decided, when you finished, go back, tap on Set Wallpaper, decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen, and when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!